Every year, Diwali brings with it a barrage of ad campaigns. Hungry brands are locked in a decibel war to be heard, each of them vying for a piece of the pie. But Lux Cozy had something else up its sleeve: legacy. And with this legacy came an insight. For over 60 years, Lux Cozy has borne witness to multiple generations celebrating Diwali, united by tradition, sweetmeats, crackers, and something else: tall tales. Kids exaggerating their firecracker pranks and wars with rival groups. Uncles and aunties just over the hill pontificating over the youthful adventures. Grandfathers and grandmothers exaggerating the hardships they endured and the sacrifices they bore for everyone else. Indians, across lines of culture, cuisine, caste, and costume, were privy to such tales. So we brought them to life. A rich, immersive Hindi heartland voiceover hooked listeners,
जैसे वो कोई एस्ट्रोनॉट हो और उसकी रॉकेट चंद्रयान,
carrying them through immersive reels, evocative visuals of 3 different generations, telling tall tales with the aid of AI, recreated classic Diwali sightings.
दादाजी कहते हैं, अरे अपने जमाने में पटाखे हम खरीदते थोड़ी थे, खुद बनाते थे। अरे असली दिवाली तो तब की थी, जिसने बनाया उसने फोड़ा।
In no time, कहानियों की फूलझड़ी tugged at the heartstrings of the nation. This campaign received 25.6 million impressions, 19.2 million video views, over 400,000 people engaged, and around 1,700 people saved the reels, ensuring the nostalgia lived on. And in the midst of all this, 6,785 people followed us. And the people spoke, sharing deeply personal stories from their lives. The campaign turned into a true celebration, one fueled by the fireworks of family dynamics. Real stories, real emotions, real connections. Because ये नहीं तो दिवाली नहीं.